Alright guys, welcome back to Curtis Farms. I'm going to give you a little follow-up on what we've done. We installed an Auxbeam 8-button switch panel. So we mounted the switch panel right here. Excuse the wiring, this is stuff that I have tucked away that's going to go. Some of it's going to go up here to the fog lights I'm going to put in, and then to the light bar, and then the pod lights on the windshield. Now I'm not going to run those until I get them in, but there's a, I don't know if you can see down there, there's a 60 amp circuit breaker right down there that comes with this system. We ran everything through the firewall. It is hooked up to ignition. There we have our grote beacon. It is a 4-bulb sealed beam beacon. I'm gonna try and put some dual colored lights right there, so some that flash amber, and then we'll do the off-road stuff. And then I have a set of Phoenix cannons in the back. So also a buddy of mine is going to trade me for a green Wheeling Avenger. Here in Mississippi we can run green. It's not reserved for emergency vehicles like in some states. Yeah, what I did was I attached it with I actually got some exhaust U-bolts and bolted it down to the headache rack, and I painted those bolts black so they won't rust. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I gotta get my hideaways wired into my reverse lights, but yeah, it's coming along, just a slow progress, but I'm looking forward to giving y'all an update of when everything's totally done. So for now, y'all have a good one, and stay safe out there. See you in the next one.